All right, so on to number 3.
So
I wasn't too sure on this. I said the
Not the
last one.
first one. The first one.
it's C.
That's what I put too, was C.
Because it's always like your null hypothesis is independent and your alternative will always be not independent.
Okay.
Because the problem was talking about
I was right. Here.
it was talking about like gender voting and stuff. So
Why do you guys?
that's
Sorry, give me 1 second.
fine.
All right, Brooklyn, come right on the cups that don't have water in it so you guys don't spill them. Okay? Here. You guys decorate these and then fill them up with water. Okay? All right, that's a better idea. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I agree with that.
Yeah.
All right, last C for that. And then it's C again for 4. Right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll see if I got these right. So on the number 5, I got 26.
It's actually 2.
What? How? Okay, I
only got 2.
you got it on the SPSS though, right?
So
Because that's how you're supposed to get the.
So for the first set of questions, you actually have to make your own. You have to put all the information in, which is what makes it kind of complicated. I don't know if that makes sense, but you have to write down the whole chart, and then you go in and you have to put all the information in, and you have to like, it says it in the videos, but you have to do, it's like takes a while until you can get the answers for this. So did you use the chiropractor one?
Yep. Yeah, I did.
So that's for the second set of questions. It's not for this one.
That's annoying. Okay.
So for this one, you have to start a new SPSS, and then you go to, I think it's there. I wrote it down.
So wait. Oh, okay. So I input all the information that's on the question.
Yes, but you're starting a brand new Excel. So you have to go through like little steps and make sure that you put the right amount of columns and rows and the right information for it. Takes like a while to learn. I had to learn this on campus.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I'm meeting with my tutor tomorrow, so I'll go.
Okay. Yeah. So number 5 is 2, and then for number 6, it's A.
A. Okay. And then what'd you get for the X test take?
So I got 16.204.
I got. Oh wait, I can hear you.
Can you hear us, Sarah?
Keep cutting in and out on me.
You got 16 point what?
16.204. Did you get that, Sarah?
I got 16.2.
Yeah.
It's 204. Since you're rounding to the 3 decimals.
Oh, okay.
No. What was your p-value?
I got 0.
0.
Okay. So then what would you say there is sufficient evidence?
Yeah. So it's A.
There you go. Okay, I did too. All right. All right, now for number 10, I said true.
Uh-huh.
All right, now degrees of freedom, 52.
No, so it's 8. This is when you use a chiropractor SPSS one.
Okay, I did. I have it right here. Which I must have entered it in wrong because it's just under the chi-square test, right? And then it should say in the DF, right? Is that where it said 8, or you have to do something different?
I don't remember. I did this yesterday, so I don't remember.
Okay.
But I mean, when I put it in, it gave me.
It gave you 8.
Yeah.
Dang it! I got all these wrong there.
So then for number 12, I got 7.436.
Okay. Still 0 for the p-value?
P-value is 0.49.
Okay. And then I said A for 14.
So since the p-value is bigger, there's insufficient evidence.
Well, it's 0.49, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
yeah,
it's bigger than 0.05.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So insufficient, yeah.
So
So
it's
B.
B. Yeah.
All right, let's submit this. All right, yeah, 100%. There we go. Okay.
So
That's annoying because I was walking through it and I'm like, oh, this is
yeah.
so easy.
Let me.
And then,
Where did I put my backpack? I know it's in here some. Let me find it real quick and I'll help you.
you guys drawing in your cups? All right.
Okay. So when you do these, let me see. I know I wrote it in here somewhere. Or actually, it's on these. So if you have your SPSS open,
Yep.
so a brand new one.
All right.
So then you go down to the bottom and you click the one that says variable view. Do you see that?
Let's see. File. Let me just start a new one. Hold on.
Let me open mine up so I can really see what I'm doing.
All right, I got a new file. All right.
So then,
Variable view, right?
okay. So then this is when you have to write in the rows and the columns and the count.
Okay.
So I know that sounds kind of like a lot, but it's like if you still have the quiz open, so you have like 2 rows, which is female and male, and then you have 3 columns, which is, you never put in the total.
Okay.
So then you put like Republican, Democrat, Independent. But he said that you have to make sure, keep it as short as possible when you write them in, because if you misspell one, it messes up your whole thing.
Okay.
So then it's like kind of hard to explain because you have to put all the information in.
So, right where it says column 1, right? I put the name. I just can put female, right?
So you can put F.
F.
Yeah.
And then male.
But then, so you're going to put 3 Fs because you have 3 different, does that make sense? Because you have 3 different tests for female.
Okay.
So then once you put 3 Fs, then you put 3 Ms for male.
Okay. Okay, stop it. How do I make it's saying I can't like duplicate the letter or whatever. Okay.
Let me see.
No, I think I got it now. Hold on.
I don't know if you have to do, let me see, because I get these confused because I have like a hard time with it. So I think you actually have to write, I'm sorry. Before you type that in, you have to type in rows, columns, and count. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So.
Where do you go?
Okay, so let me see. So you're in variable view, right?
Yeah.
So under name, you put, the first one you put row. Right?
Okay.
And then the second one you put column. And then the third one you put count. So next to row, does it show numeric?
Next. It just says type after that. String numeric. On the count, it says numeric.
Okay, so click on the numeric one.
Mm-hmm.
And always for row and column, you're going to change it to string, which is the second to last one.
Okay.
So change row to string and then change column to string.
Okay. All right, done.
So once you're done with that, so you go back to data view on the bottom.
All right.
Okay. So now if you see on top, you have your row, your column, and your count.
Okay.
Okay. So in the row, since you have, like, if you go to the chart on the quiz, so since you have female, but you have 3 different tests for a female, so you're basically going to write 3 Fs. So 1 F, 2 F, 3, and then you're going to do the same for male, so it'll be 3 Ms. You should have like 1 through 3 F and then 4 through 6 M.
All right, got it.
Okay, so then so then for the different tests, since you have Republican, Democrat, and Independent, you can just put like R for the first one, D for the second one, and then I for the third one. And then you do the same for males. So R, D, I.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, cool. All right. And
All
then
right. So then on the count, you're going to look at the female Republican, and you're going to put 250. And then the next one is 300, and then it's 50. And then what's the other one? So then it's 200, 150, and then 50.
and then 200.
But when you look at it, when you look at like the SPSS and you look at your chart on the quiz, it should match up with everything. So male Republican should be 200.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have all those in?
Yeah.
Okay. So then you go to data.
Okay. All right.
And then you go to second to the last where it says weigh cases.
Yep.
So then you put weigh cases by, and then you switch count over.
Okay.
And then you push OK. And then it gives you something, and then you can just like, so then you go to analyze.
And then descriptive right into crosstabs.
Yep.
Okay.
And then you put like the row and column and columns. And then you go to stats, and then you have to check the chi-square, which is
Hold up. So I put, that's why I did it wrong.
Yeah. So you have to put chi-square. You just click that one.
Well, no, I put row into row and then column into column.
Yeah, that's what you do.
Okay, because I put the count into the column.
Oh, yeah. So you don't put count in there.
Okay. Yeah. And then statistics, chi-square, done.
Yep.
And then press OK.
And then you go to the cells, and then you click expected as well.
I put what?
You click expected.
Oh, whoops.
So it'll be both observed and expected clicked. Did you get that?
Oh, hold up. I clicked the wrong thing. So into cells, it's me observed and expected. Okay, got it. All right.
And then you press OK, and then and then you go to the last one, and that should give you. And then that's where it gave us like the 2 degrees of freedom. So if you go to like the chi-square test, it gives you all the information there. Did it come up for you?
It did.
Huh?
It did, but I got 10. I did something. Huh? Hold on. All right. Analyze. Descriptive. Cross tab. Let's see.
And then you click on stats.
Stop it right now. Okay. Yeah. Statistics. Chi-square.
Uh-huh.
Continue. Cells.
And then you click expected.
Expected and observed, right?
Yeah. So observed is already clicked. You just have to click expected.
Yep. Expected. Okay. Round cell counts. Continue.
And then you push OK, and then the last chart that comes up on the bottom should show you that.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you so much for showing me that.
Yeah, no problem. I mean, it's weird. It's really like you have to go through all. So it if it doesn't have like an SPSS, then you have to create it yourself. And
Okay.
then if it has it, you just get the information from there.
Okay. Perfect. All right. Well, I don't know if I look at the week ahead. Let's see. Do we have to meet Tuesday or what?
You don't really. It's not mandatory, but it's just a review for the test.
Starts November 21st. Oh, so we have a test next week. Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. All right, cool. Well, then you guys have a good Thanksgiving. Well, I'll see you guys in a couple weeks then, yeah?
Yeah. Sounds good.
All right. See you guys.
Bye.